Hello everyone, I am Javeria from Faculty of Education, University of Sindh, Pakistan. Today I discuss a topic: the functions of management, planning, organizing, leading and controlling and teachers related role. Management. Management is a process of reaching an organizational goal by working with or through organizational resources. It is the activity of getting things done with the aid of people and other resources. According to Henry Fayol, to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to control, and to coordinate. Functions of management. The several functions of management are planning, organizing, leading, controlling, directing, staffing. Planning. Planning involves selecting missions, objectives, and the actions to achieve them. It requires decision making, that is, choosing from among alternatives, course of action. It is done at all level of management. According to Kant's, planning is deciding in advance what to do, when to do, and how to do. It bridges the gap from where we are and where we want to be. Planning in simple terms is setting targets and objectives to be achieved, devising ways to achieve them, and selecting the best action to achieve the goal. It is concerned with the determination of the objectives to be achieved and the course of action to be followed to achieve them. Organizing. Once plans are made, decisions must be made about how to best implement the plan. The organizing function involves deciding how the organization will be structured. It involves assigning authority and responsibility to various departments, allocating resources across the organization, and defining how the activities of groups and individuals will be coordinated. Leading. The third basic managerial function is leading. It is the skill of influencing people for a particular purpose or reason. It is the most important and challenging of all managerial activities. Leading is influencing or promoting the member of the organization to work together with the interest of the organization. It is required as it helps to serve the objective of effectiveness and efficiency by changing the behavior of the employees. Leaders inspire people to support, plan, creating beliefs and commitment. Controlling. According to Heyman, control is the process of checking to determine whether or not proper progress is being made towards the objectives and goals, and acting if necessary to correct any deviation. Cairns and O'Donnell have defined controlling as the measurement and correction of the performance of activities of subcoordinates in order to make sure that school objectives and the plans devised to attain them are being accomplished. Directing. Directing is one of the important function of management and is the art and process of getting things done. It is concerned with equipping the members for the organization school to work efficiently for the attainment of school goals. According to Joseph Mays, directing concerned the total way of manager influence the action of his subordinates. It is the final action of a manager in getting others to act after all preparation have been completed. Direction has following element: supervision, motivation, leadership, communication. Staffing. According to Courts and O'Donnell, managerial function of staffing involves managing the organization structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal, and development of personnel to fill the roles designed in the structure. According to Mays, staffing includes the process by which the right person is placed in the right organizational process. Staffing include requirement selection and placement, training and development, performance appraisal, promotion and transfers. Teachers' related role in school management. Teachers have a great role to play in educational, social, and even the political reconstruction of country. Teachers are essentially nation builder. They are the torch bearer of the race. On them depend the future of the village, the school, the country, in fact, the humanity in whole. All the mentioned are the teacher related role, such as planning, organizing, directing, controlling, guiding, leading. So we can say that teacher play an important role in the whole school management. Conclusion. Educational administration is regarded as total processes inclusive of all responsibilities and function necessary for running the school. It provides and manages various elements of the teaching learning situation such as the learner, the teacher, the curriculum, and the socio physical environment. To ensure all of the above functions are working toward the success of a school administrator should consistently monitor employee performance, quality of work, and efficiency and reliability of completed project. Thank you.